Let's talk about what every non-physical custodian parent cares about. Child support. How much? How often? Why?
Well, as you know, and we've talked about on other shows, I'm a firm believer that they're your kids. You have to support them. I've even had people that have come to me and there's no order in place or anything else, and they've separated. Maybe there's not even a case filed. Oh, do I have to pay child support and everything? I said, well, legally there's no order, but you know what? Those are your children, and you made them, and you need to take care of them. Okay, it's not fair to put all that on the other spouse. Okay, I don't care what you think about her or him. You don't like them. Their feet smell. They're just horrible people. Doesn't matter. You need to support their kids. And unfortunately, this is where the problem comes in. There's no accounting for child support.
Right.
So
The
people
money doesn't get paid to the child. It
Well,
gets paid to the custodial
to the
parent.
custodial parent, and they could do with that money whatever, because people have a problem. Oh, listen, she's got a new Prada purse or whatever, and that's the child support money. There's no accounting for it. Child support is intended for things: a roof over the child's head, groceries, utilities, all of those things.
Not only that, she could be buying Happy Meals for the kid and taking the additional funds and going out with her girlfriends
She could
on the
right.
nightlife.
Right. That's
And
true
there's nothing
too.
you can do about it.
Nothing you could do about it. That's the way that it goes. And typically, what happens is, and both parties are required to contribute to the care and upbringing of their child. And so it depends upon, if you have one child, the statutory guideline is 20% of your net. 2 children, 28, 3, 32, and it's progressive. But
And
net
you can't
income,
fool with that. You can't downsize your position. You can't quit your job. You can't take a $100,000 career job and start working as a delivery person for furniture.
Well, sure you can.
Well, you're going to get caught.
You're going to get slapped, because if the court, so let's just take a situation where somebody has one child, it's 20%, to make it easy, and let's just suppose that, I guess that their net annual income is $100,000. So that's kind of easy. So what does that mean? Child support is a year.
$20,000.
$20,000. Okay. So, all right. Now, and it gets broken up. I mean, depending upon the employer, how their pay schedule is, it could be, because people get paid once a month.
It's about $400 a week.
Right, but
Roughly.
people get paid weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, bi-monthly. I can't imagine somebody getting paid yearly, but I suppose that could happen too. But so you have all those things, and so whatever the amount is, it can get broken up and paid depending upon the employer in any one of those kind of increments to be able to kind of take care of it. So all right, now, so this gentleman then decides that, hey, listen, you know what? I'm tired, because every time I see you, you have a new purse or a pair of shoes or something else, and the kid looks a little skinny there. It's not, I mean, that brings up some other issues too. But hey, you know what? The heck with this, Dave. I'm just going to quit, and I'm going to work at McDonald's. Okay. Well, if the court determines that you voluntarily separated yourself from employment, you weren't fired for
Right.
cause, then they can impute that former income to you, so that your child support obligation is going to be just as what it was when you were making that $100,000 a year net. So, and I have a lot of people sometimes that do that, and I tell them, I say, you know what, do whatever you want, but I'm telling you, this is what's going to happen.
Yeah.
You want to quit your job? That's up to you.
It doesn't make sense. Keep
doesn't
working
make
hard,
sense.
do right by your child.
Right.
And if the spouse is spending money on him or herself, there could be an upside. The person could wind up finding another mate, which would then terminate maintenance, which leads me to maintenance.